Whispering winds on a rusty rail, midnight calls from a hidden tale, creaking tracks where shadows wail, moonlight rides the siren's sail. Echoes bounce off canyon walls, dreams ignite where darkness falls, wisps of smoke in silent halls, mystery walks through fog-filled calls. Echoes bounce off canyon walls, dreams ignite where darkness falls, wisps of smoke in silent halls, mystery walks through fog-filled calls. Feel the rhythm of the turning tide on the midnight train of the wild side. Leave your worries in the great divide, find the freedom in the endless ride. Distant hum of an unknown quest, heartbeats drumming in your chest. Wanderlust won't let you rest, journey on and do your best. Distant hum of an unknown quest, heartbeats drumming in your chest. Wanderlust won't let you rest, journey on and do your best. Stars light up the silver track, no way forward, no way back. Find yourself in what you lack, ride the night till morning cracks. Feel the rhythm of the turning tide on the midnight train of the wild side. Leave your worries in the great divide, find the freedom in the endless ride. Distant hum of an unknown quest, heartbeats drumming in your chest. Wanderlust won't let you rest, journey on and do your best. Feel the rhythm of the turning tide on the midnight train of the wild side. Leave your worries in the great divide, find the freedom in the endless ride.